Clifton Hicken, a substantive assistant commissioner who was performing the duties of deputy commissioner, is now performing the duties of police commissioner effective Wednesday. When the appointment was made public 2 days ago, the People's National Congress Reform (PNCR) said it will move to the court on the basis that it was done without consultation with the opposition leader and the Police Service Commission. But President Irfaan Ali has already responded to the PNCR's concerns, saying the doctrine of necessity allowed a legal cloak for him to make the appointment. And the Attorney General supported this notion during his weekly Issues in the News commentary aired on his Facebook page.
It cannot be the law that the process will grind to a halt, or the country must go without a commissioner of police if a recalcitrant opposition cannot get its house in order and appoint a leader of the opposition.
The Constitution provides for the appointment of a police commissioner to be made by the President in consultation with the Leader of the Opposition and the Chairperson of the Police Service Commission. Joseph Harmon resigned from the post of Opposition Leader in January 2022, and the APNUFC coalition has not yet replaced him. With the Commissioner of Police acting Nigel Hoppy going off into pre-retirement leave, the President moved ahead to appoint Hicken to act in the position. In this regard, Nandlall supported the President's reasoning that the doctrine of necessity justifies his appointment of Hicken.
National security, public safety, and the need for there to be an administrative head of the Guyana Police Force would trump the need for procedural regularity. And the doctrine of necessity would justify a departure from what is required by the Constitution.
Further, Nandlall said the argument that the appointment ought to have gone to someone else would not stand since the President used his prerogative powers to appoint Hicken.
Power of the President to appoint, that latitude of choice cannot be circumscribed. The process of appointment is regulated, but the power to appoint and the power to choose is not circumscribed by our Constitution. It remains in the exercise of the deliberate judgment of the President.
Nandlall reiterated that there are no legal consequences to the decision of the President. He recalled that former President David Granger did the same when he appointed Leslie James as Commissioner of Police. The Attorney General congratulated Hicken and said he has served the force with distinction for many years, where he held several senior positions. His commendations were supported by 4 former police commissioners, including Nigel Hoppy, from whom Hicken is taking over. For the newsroom, Kurt Campbell.